Hello students, today we are going to discuss the first topic in the chapter conic section, that is circles. Already you have studied in class 9th the definition of circle and in class 10th also. So what is a circle? A circle is a set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. Here in a plane is very important. Okay. Set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. Okay. Because if I don't mention about the plane, the set of points which are equidistant, that may be a sphere also, right? 3-dimensional. So that is why it is very important to mention the in a plane. And I have shown in the diagram. You can see in the diagram, this is center and this distance is the radius. So the fixed point is called center and the fixed distance is called radius. So this knowledge you already have from your class 10. So what is new in class 11? That is equation of a circle. So let us go ahead. So we are going to find out the equation of a circle whose center is hk and radius is small r. So how to go about it? Let us consider this point P a general point as xy. The center was say C and the radius is Cp. Now we know that by distance formula this Cp is equal to R. And class 10th we have done distance formula, in 11th we have reviewed also in chapter 10. So that would be, this will be x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r, and there is a square root sign, the distance between 2 points, distance formula. Squaring both sides, we can write down x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this is the equation of a circle whose center is hk and whose radius is small r. So as a conclusion I have written, this is the equation of a circle with center hk and radius r. So with the help of this information we can start exercise 11.1. So this is the first question of exercise 11.1. We have to find the equation of the circle with center 0, 2 and radius 2. So we'll write the required equation is x minus 0 whole square y minus 2 whole square equal to 2 square. I have directly applied the formula that we had written. So here what we see, it becomes x square y minus 2 whole square equal to 4. And this is the required equation of the circle. Question number 2, 3, 4 you can do. They are similar question. And directly going to question number 5. So in this case, the required equation of circle is x plus a whole square y plus b whole square equal to a square minus b square. And if you want, you can simplify also this equation by using a plus b whole square formula. X square plus 2ax plus a square y square plus 2by plus b square equal to a square minus b square. In some book there is a plus sign also. So in that case our a square will be cancelled, b square will be cancelled, and the equation will become x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by equal to 0. And what is the speciality of this equation is, this equation of the circle passes through the origin, because if you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, it satisfies the equation. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to identify the center and radius. For that we have to write down in a standard form x minus of minus 5 whole square y minus 3 whole square equal to 6 square. Okay. So in this case, our center is minus 5 and 3 and radius 6 units. So this is the method. We have to put it in a standard form and very easily you can identify if it is HK and R. Question number 7. This we will write down in standard form: x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. Okay. Plus y square minus 2 into y into 4 plus 4 square. Minus, here 4 we have written extra to subtract it, 16 we have written extra, subtract it, and 45 is already there. Okay. So the first 3 terms will become x minus 2 whole square. This terms will become y minus 4 whole square, and those terms will become 65. And 65 can be written as root 65 whole square. So now you can easily identify what is the center. Center is 2, 4 and radius is minus 65 units. So in this way you can do 8 and 9 question also. I am going to the question number 10th. Question number 10 mein, what is the objective? We are supposed to find the equation of the circle which passes through these 2 points and center lies on this. So beginning is, let the circle be. Let the circle be x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. So now what will happen? We have 3 unknowns in this equation: h, k and r. If you can identify h, k and r, we are done. And we have 3 conditions also. One condition is this line passes through this point. So we can write down 4 minus h whole square, 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. This is equation number 1. Second equation, it passes through 6, 5. 6 minus h whole square, 5 minus k whole square equal to r square. Equation number 2. And the third equation will be center lies on this. That is 4h plus k equal to 16. This is equation number 3. And I am sure you can solve these 3 equations to find out the value of h, k and r, and put the value of h, k and r in this equation and get the answer. In the similar way you can do question number 11 also. Question number 12 mein, we have radius 5, center on the x-axis, passes to the point 2, 3. We will write down, let the circle be x minus h whole square, y minus 0 whole square equal to 5 square. Why this is 0? Because center on the x-axis, and on x-axis y is always 0, right? So this k will be 0. Now if you can find out the value of h, we are done. So what you have to do, you have to put it passes through 2, 3. So since it passes through 2, 3, we have 2 minus h whole square, 3 square equal to 5 square. And from this equation you can get the value of h, put it back there and get the answer. Question number 13. In 13 question, what is given? The circle passes to the point 0, 0 and having x intercept as A, y intercept as B. Basically this is the diagram. Alright. So in this diagram what we are going to do? We know that if I draw a perpendicular from the origin to this chord, it cuts at the point midpoint, right? Class 10 ka theorem. Here also it will cut at the midpoint. So this point is a by 2 0, this point is 0 b by 2. Okay, so that means this center will be a by 2 b by 2. Okay, and radius of this, if I can join this radius, you can easily find out a by 2 minus 0 whole square. That means I can write down center a by 2 b by 2, center clear, and its radius, the distance formula, a by 2 minus 0 whole square b by 2 minus 0 whole square, square root from this point to this point. So we have a square by 4, b square by 4, square root, so 1 by 2 square root of a square plus b square. So this is the radius. So once we have identified what is center and radius, now you can easily find out the equation of the circle. So this is the equation of the circle: x minus a by 2 whole square, y minus b by 2 whole square, and the radius whole square. You can square the right hand side. A square by 4, b square by 4 will get cancelled, and you can get the equation of the circle. Here center is 2 2, so we'll write down, let the circle be x minus 2 whole square, y minus 2 whole square equal to r square. It passes to 4 5, so therefore 4 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square equal to r square. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9, that means r square will be equal to 13. Put this value in this equation, and that is the required equation. Actually, question number 15 they are asking, does this point 2.5 and 3.5 lie outside, inside, or on the circle? So let me tell you, if it satisfies this equation, that means it is on the circle, that is on the circumference of the circle. If this value, after putting this, it is more than 25, that is outside the circle. If this value, these 2 points, after putting this value is less than 25, that would be inside the circle. Now let us put the value, minus 2.5 whole square, so 3.5 whole square equal to how much? So this value comes out to be, here it is 25, 25.5, 18.5, which is less than 25. Therefore this point, it lies inside, this circle. अगर बड़ा होता तो outside, अगर equal होता तो it is on the circumference. So here exercise is finished. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much.